Let's look at how you can substitute maple syrup in place of refined sugars in your recipes. Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. You can substitute for 1/4 cup of sugar, just 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. One-third cup is also just 3 tablespoons because it's so much sweeter. Now, 1/2 cup of refined sugar translates into 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And then 2 cups would be 1/2 cup of maple. Since maple syrup has a higher moisture content, it's about 1/5 water. It is higher in moisture than refined sugar. You're going to have to reduce the liquid of either the water or milk in your recipe to compensate. So this is a nice little table. It shows you how much to decrease depending upon how much maple syrup you're using. If you're doing something like baking bread, you need to have a little bit of acid neutralized, and so you would add baking soda in this proportion in order for the leavening to work. And whatever your temperature calls for in your recipe, you want to decrease that by 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Maple syrup contains antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. It has so many more benefits. I'm not going to go into them because YouTube doesn't want me to, but that's a good reason to use it over refined sugar. Maple syrup also has a lower glycemic index rating than refined white sugar. Maple syrup is also 3 times as sweet as refined white sugar. I hope this helps. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along. More great videos to come in this series on making and using and baking with maple syrup. Oh, it's good on pancakes. So many good things. And this recipe is also part of our foraging series, so be sure to check out our foraging series as well.